American scientists have figured out how to build muscle without getting off the couch. Researchers from the USA have developed a drug capable of replacing physical exercises. Specialists have long identified the main benefit of sports, the ability to initiate and accelerate many processes in the body, the release of several hormones, active oxygen supply to the brain and tissues, and muscle mass growth. It has long been proven that all of the above processes occur at the biochemical level. Therefore, specialists set themselves the task of creating a drug capable of initiating these processes in the body. After a long period of research and development, American scientists were able to create such a magic pill. This drug can stimulate metabolic processes in the muscles, similar to those that occur as a result of physical exercises, by activating certain proteins. Moreover, this drug may be effective in the treatment of various diseases, including heart and kidney failure, as well as neurodegenerative diseases. This study represents a significant step in the field of pharmaceuticals and sports medicine, opening up new opportunities for millions of people who avoid physical exertion. But before this magic pill becomes available to the public, it will have to undergo a series of clinical trials.